Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, just before we will start, make sure that you've got the internet connection, because of course it is required to download something. And this time I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, because thanks to using Wi-Fi you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading something. So after connected to the internet, let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you're not already logged in, you will have to do it right now. And after that, just tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see, actually immediately we are on the updates section, and under it we've got the whole list of all updates pending. As you can see, you can update all of them just by tapping on this green icon, update all. But if you want to, you can update only one of it or two of them. It's of course up to you. So let me for example update Google Photos. Just tap on update next to it, and as you can see, the Google Photos immediately disappeared from the list, but they appear at the very top. Right now they are downloading, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. Everything will be done automatically. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.